Hey everyone, today we're going to explore a fascinating number theory trick in JavaScript. Can a number be written as a sum of two or more consecutive positive integers? We'll learn a very clever and efficient way to test this, using bitwise operations. Let's dive in. So, what does the problem really ask? We need to check if a number can be broken down into two or more positive integers in a row that sum up to that number. This excludes just saying 8 is equal to 8. For instance, 10 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, but 8, no combo of consecutive numbers will add up to exactly 8. So the question becomes, how can we check this programmatically? This tiny function packs a punch. We're using a bitwise AND operation, n and n minus 1. If that result is not 0, the number is not a power of 2, and that means it can be written as a sum of consecutive numbers. If the result is 0, it is a power of 2 and cannot be broken into such a sum. Let's break down step by step next. Here's how it works. A number is a power of 2 if only one bit is set in its binary form. So when we subtract 1 and it with itself, all the bits flip. If the result is 0, it is the power of 2, like 8. If it is not 0, like 10, it can be expressed as the sum of consecutive numbers. Let's run a few examples. 33 in binary is 1, 40 is 1, not a power of 2. 10 is 1010, also not a power of 2. However, 8 is 1000, which is a power of 2. So we can now test this with just a single line of code. Where might you see this used? Well, number-based puzzles or games might rely on patterns like this. It is also great for understanding how binary and bitwise operations can speed up math-related algorithms. Not to mention, it is a fun fact to surprise someone with. So, to wrap up, this clever trick gives us a powerful tool. A simple bitwise operation reveals whether a number fits the pattern or not. It is compact, efficient, and rooted in solid math theory. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next JavaScript breakdown. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.